Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of crumpled receipts, desperately trying to remember what that vague coffee shop charge was for, or spending hours piecing together expense reports? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Managing business expenses can feel like a tedious chore, a necessary evil that eats up valuable time and energy that could be better spent actually growing your business. But what if there was a better way? What if you could ditch the paper trail, streamline the entire process, and gain real-time visibility into your company's spending? Well, that's where Relay comes into the picture. Now, you might be thinking, another expense management tool? What makes this one different? And that's a fair question. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how Relay transforms the often clunky world of business expense reports, showing you exactly what it is, how it works, and why it could be a game changer for your business, especially if you're tired of the usual headaches. Before we get into the specifics of Relay, let's quickly touch on why effective expense management is so crucial in the first place. It's not just about compliance or keeping the taxman happy, although those are certainly important. Robust expense reporting provides a clear picture of where your money is going, allowing you to identify areas for potential savings, track project costs accurately, and make informed financial decisions. Poor expense management, on the other hand, can lead to wasted resources, errors, delays in reimbursements, and even fraud. It can also create a significant administrative burden on both employees and finance teams. Traditional expense reporting often involves a multi-step, manual process. Employees spend their own money on business-related expenses, collect physical receipts, which have a mysterious tendency to disappear at the most inconvenient times, and then painstakingly fill out paper or spreadsheet-based expense reports. These reports then wind their way through approval hierarchies, often getting lost or delayed along the way. Finance teams then have the unenviable task of manually reviewing these reports, matching receipts, chasing down missing information, and finally, processing reimbursements. It's a time-consuming and error-prone cycle that benefits no one. This is the problem that modern expense management solutions like Relay aim to solve. They leverage technology to automate and simplify the entire process, making it faster, more accurate, and less of a burden for everyone involved. So, what exactly is Relay in the context of business expense reports? At its core, Relay is a business banking platform built specifically for small to medium-sized businesses. But it's not just a bank account, it's a comprehensive financial management hub that integrates banking, payments, and, crucially for our discussion today, expense management tools. Think of Relay as a central command center for your business finances. It provides you with business checking accounts and debit cards for your team, but it goes far beyond basic banking functionalities. It's designed to give you real-time visibility and control over your company's spending, and its expense management features are a key component of this. One of the standout features of Relay's approach to expense reports is its emphasis on proactive spending management rather than just reactive reporting. Instead of waiting for employees to submit expense reports after the fact, Relay allows you to set spending limits and rules directly on the Relay debit cards issued to your team members. This means you can control how much employees can spend, where they can spend it, e.g., specific merchant categories, and even when they can spend it. This proactive control significantly reduces the likelihood of unexpected or unauthorized expenses in the first place. When an employee makes a purchase using their Relay card, the transaction is automatically recorded and linked to that specific cardholder. This eliminates the need for employees to manually track every single transaction. They can then use the Relay mobile app to quickly and easily capture a photo of the receipt, which is then digitally attached to the corresponding transaction. No more lost receipts or frantic searching through pockets and wallets. The Relay platform then automatically pulls key information from the transaction, such as the date, amount, and merchant. Employees can then add any necessary details, like the business purpose of the expense or the project it relates to, directly within the app. This streamlined process makes it incredibly easy for employees to document their expenses in real time, reducing the end-of-month scramble to remember and record everything. For managers and finance teams, Relay provides a centralized dashboard where they can view all company spending in real time. They can see who is spending what, where, and for what purpose. This provides unparalleled visibility into cash flow and helps to identify any potential issues or trends early on. When it comes to reviewing and approving expenses, Relay simplifies this process significantly. Managers can receive notifications when expense reports are submitted or when transactions require review based on preset rules. They can then review the details, including the receipt image and any accompanying notes, directly within the Relay platform. Approvals can be done with a few clicks, eliminating the need for paper-based approvals or lengthy email chains. Once an expense report is approved, the reimbursement process, if applicable, as many expenses are directly paid via Relay cards, can be handled seamlessly through the platform. This speeds up the reimbursement timeline for employees and reduces the administrative burden on the finance team. Beyond the core functionality of tracking and approving expenses, Relay offers several other features that enhance the expense reporting process. Integration with accounting software. Relay integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, allowing for seamless data transfer of expense information. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, ensuring that your expense data is accurately reflected in your financial records. Customizable spending rules. As mentioned earlier, you can set granular spending rules for each Relay cardholder. This level of control helps to enforce company spending policies and prevent overspending. Multiple user roles and permissions. Relay allows you to define different user roles with varying levels of access and permissions. This ensures that only authorized personnel can approve expenses or access sensitive financial information. Real-time notifications and alerts. Both employees and managers can receive real-time notifications about transactions, approvals, and any potential issues. This keeps everyone informed and helps to address any problems promptly. Detailed reporting and analytics. Relay provides comprehensive reports on company spending, allowing you to analyze expense patterns, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into your financial performance. You can filter and customize these reports to get the specific information you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.